Hello and welcome to Autumn's Love It channel. Today we are going to review the July Simply Earth box. Now this is an essential oil subscription box with recipes on how to make your house more non-toxic. Let's get into this. Now this is how it looks for the month of July. Let's check out the oils that we've got. Cedarwood. We have Homebody. Grapefruit. And spearmint. Now the recipes that are in this box are self-care lotion, hospitality diffuser blend, lavender hydrosol everything spray, Homebody carpet powder, road trip roll on. Ooh, how fun. And mama inhaler. So let's see, they give you a natural lotion base, a lavender hydrosol, and this must be the inhaler to make your recipes and labels. I love it, guys. I can't wait to make some of the stuff. I made almost everything from the last box last month, and this box, I feel like for the price, is really totally worth it. 13% of all of their profits go to supporting the end of human trafficking, and they really seem to be a good quality caring company. So I love this box. You need to check them out. I'll set the link below. Thank you so much. See you on the next video. Bye.